What is generative AI? How generative AI works. Popular generative AI examples. You will learn about these topics in this video. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Technology Explained. Let's talk about something that's revolutionizing industries and sparking tons of innovation. Generative AI. So what is generative AI? Well, unlike traditional AI that simply analyzes data and makes predictions, generative AI is all about creating something new. It can generate text, images, music, code, you name it. But how does generative AI work? Generative AI works using deep learning models, like neural networks. One of the most popular models is called a generative adversarial network, or GAN for short. It consists of two main parts, a generator and a discriminator. The generator creates content, while the discriminator evaluates it and provides feedback. Over time, the generator gets better and better at producing content that's almost indistinguishable from real-world data. Let's talk about some popular examples of generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini generate human-like text responses. These tools are trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to generate human-quality text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. While DALL-E and Mid-Journey can create stunning, lifelike images and art from just a simple description. These tools use deep learning models to generate images based on textual prompts, creating unique and often surprising visuals. Generative AI is already transforming industries, from AI-generated art and music to deepfake videos, and even writing news articles. It's everywhere. We also see it used in video game design, medical imaging, and product innovation. But why is generative AI such a big deal? Because it's pushing the boundaries of creativity and automation. It's helping businesses innovate faster, improve customer experiences, and even personalize products. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are ethical concerns around deepfakes, AI-generated misinformation, and the potential for job disruption. That's why it's important to develop responsible AI practices. So there you have it. A quick overview of what generative AI is, some popular tools, and why it's reshaping our world. From creative industries to practical applications, it's here to stay, but we need to make sure we use it responsibly. If you found this video on what is generative AI helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.